Okay, it's time for the British car impound race. Okay, the car, we're just getting ready at the starting line. Oh, dang it. Where's the pursuit car? Oh. I have to ruin the lineup just to reach the police car. That was not worth it. Maybe it was. It definitely wasn't. Some of these drivers who are going to get impounded. Few of them are safe. Oh, TR6 makes a pass on the last stretch. Oh, interesting race. The Aston Martin starting to come up here. He's starting to come up from the back of the pack. The Land Rover Series 3 pickup was controlling that race. That was not seen. Definitely did not see that coming. Oh, fish and chip. I think I might have got a position on there. Oh! Fished and chipped pushes the pursuit car off the road. That was some mean driving by Fished and Chipped. Pursuit car actually got pushed off. I think he's going to be out for revenge on Fished and Chipped after that one. Whoa. Oh, that Aston Martin is really coming. The Jag fell back all the way to 6th place after coming off the track at the finish line. There we go. Around the corner. Someone's getting impounded. 4 cars make it successfully down to the finish line. The Aston Martin, the Triumph, the Series 3 pickup and the Jaguar in that order. And yes, 2 cars are getting impounded. One actually fell through the barrier. That's the Aston Martin 177. And Fished and Chipped. The pursuit car's got to be happy about impounding Fished and Chipped. Impound lot's filling up. And we have 4 cars left. Going into the 5th lap of this. Oh, it's nearly over already. Here we go. And look, the Aston Martin in the lead. Oh, we got a wreck. I don't think anyone's getting impounded though. The Aston Martin has wrecked. Here we go. Ooh, the pursuit car. So good there. Is he going to impound any more cars in the 6th and final lap? I think I can say I think the Jaguar was safe and the Triumph, but the other 2 are in danger. The Series 3 pickup wrecks on turn 1. We lost the Jaguar on 2, and the other 2 just burst down to the finish line. No one gets impounded in that race. When the Series 3 pickup went down, I was like, oh no, he's getting impounded. But no. See you on the next.